everybody. Welcome to Easy Robotics. Today, I'll be showing you an automatic burglar alarm and how to make it. First, let's see it working. Before we start, let's go over the materials needed and understand how it works. This project uses an infrared sensor to detect objects. The sensor sends the data to the Arduino, and after processing chooses to turn on the alarm or not. If it is on, it will not turn off until you press the button. All of this is controlled by the code. Here are the materials you need to make this. Arduino Uno. Arduino IDE software, free. Breadboard. Push button. Buzzer. LED. IR sensor. Jumper wires. USB-A to USB-B cable. Now, let's go over the code. Also, for your convenience, the code is in the description for you to copy if you want. The code's logic is very simple. The Arduino checks using the IR sensor if there is an object near the alarm. If there is no object, it does nothing, but if there is, then it sounds the alarm and it will not stop until you press the push button. Now I will explain you how to do the hardware connections. This will be very easy using a breadboard. The buzzer's and LED's negative port, and IR sensor's ground port, should be connected to ground, and the positive port of the buzzer and LED, and they should be connected to their respective digital ports as specified in the code. The IR sensor out port should connect to its digital pin on the Arduino, and the VCC port should connect to the 5V port on the Arduino. Lastly, the push button top left port should connect to ground, and bottom right port should connect to the digital pin on the Arduino. There you have it. This is how to build your very own burglar alarm. Note that if you want to test this on a real door, you will need a higher quality IR sensor, and also the IR sensor may not work on some material like plastic. Well, that's it for today. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.